how to get more people to read more of your bio is to make each line independent of itself. So
Okay.
you could come on here and read clarity plus connections equals growth in clients. If that speaks to you, then that's, that you may hit follow, or you may then decide to read the rest of my bio. And the same thing with follow to attract your dream audience. If that appeals to you, like every single line is independent and works on its own, which
Okay.
works really well to get people to follow you, because if they're in a hurry or whatever, they're picking up their kids, or they're in traffic, and they open up Instagram and they see follow to attract your dream audience. Well, shoot, click follow, put my phone down, kind of thing. I'm not supposed to be on the phone, I'm driving anyway. So,
Uh-huh.
so each individual line that I'll be doing will be independent, so that if they read one line and it speaks to them, then they are tapping that follow button for you.